Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see how we can manage educational loan. So educational loan is a sum of money borrowed to finance post-secondary education or higher level education related expenses. So the educational loan are intended to cover the cost of different types of expenses. So the borrower is in process of pursuing a degree. The loan is repaid by the student. So how we can manage in the Jainam software this process? Just have a look. So from the search bar, I will search one customer F-6. So this is Shruti Kumar. So she is the student, and in the upload documents, I will search this customer again F-6, and here in the upload documents, if I click here, I have added one educational certificate also. So whatever required documents the financer can take from that student, and before disbursing loan he can just verify the documents. So after that I will just go to the loan. So here I will select the educational loan and enter the amount. So let's say 5,000 and calculate. So here you can see installment is 983 for every month for 6 months. Now as on this date I will just save the loan. So it is going to the it will create it and send to the approval process. Now I will just click to loan approval, just refresh. So here you can see new request we have received from Shruti Kumar. So I will just click here, and the financer can decide whether we want to approve or reject or on hold. So I will just approve here and change the status. Now I will go to the approved section and just click again. So before disbursing this loan, he can give the agreement copy. So here is the loan agreement, so rules and regulations of the company. He can give this document to the borrower and take a sign, and after that in a loan approval process he can verify the documents as well. So he can check the documents list whichever is taken. So this time I will just approve here disburse loan manually. So here you can see loan number 12 is created. Now I will search this loan from the search bar, loan number 12. So you can see how the loan is quickly disbursed with the loan approval process, and we can take documents from the student and we can give agreement to the student. So let's go and check the installment tracker. So here you can see for every installment is created 983 principal plus interest. And if I go and check the passbook, you can see all the details of the loan. And for every transaction, every repayment mode, the transaction entries you can check in this column. So this type the educational loan we can manage very easily in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more video I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.